This is a movie that will show you how Aiolas smart services in the Philippines can help you as a law firm or accounting agency to get your business growing by getting in contact with hot leads, small and mid-sized company who are actively looking for bookkeeping, accountant or tax expert services. To do this, we're going to use Nick Sandoval at Jensen Accounting in General Santos City. This is Nick. He is at the office and he is now going to register as a provider at Aiolas. He goes to the page where he fill in information about his business so that he become a member, a trusted provider of Aiolas. It's a simple form. You fill in the name, Nick Sandoval, Jensen Accounting, the email address of Nick Sandoval, the phone number where Aiolas customer service can reach, and he also provides some additional information. And then he clicks join in. When this is posted, the information comes into Aiolas customer service and they help Nick to set up the account and start to grow the business. Here's the first step of establishing a provider. Aiolas is powered by Service Start, a European company that has run successful business in this area since 2006, especially in United Kingdom, France and Sweden. This is doing greatly. And the customer service at Aiolas helps to set up a filter. What kind of services is it that Jensen Accounting is offering? Well, you have a tree, a register of different services, and accounting is listed under business services and financial services. The customer service staff at Aiola and Nick Sandoval at Jensen Accounting has a conversation and they specify that the services that they are providing is accountant, bookkeeper, financial, any services, invoicing, debt collection, and tax assistant. What they don't offer is pension advisory and private financial advices. So once this is set up, you click on save. What you also need to describe in the system is the areas to cover. So in this scenario, Jensen Accounting is located in Mindanao, General Santos City. Therefore, they offer the services to regions nearby: Davao del Norte, Asunción, Babac, Carmen. They can also fill in Davao del Sur, Davao City, and this is optional, and the more specific, the better likelihood you have to, at the end, gain a new customer that you have gotten in contact with via Aiolas. You can be as wide as you want or as niche. It's up to you as an accountant provider. So you fill this in and click on save. So this is a back-end system. It's not necessary that you as an accountant agency need to work with this. It's in many ways much easier to let Aiolas handle this for you. Aiolas services are free for small and mid-sized companies, B2B consumers or customers. The ones who have to pay the service fee are the providers. So Jensen Accounting and Nick Sandoval he is paying a small fee to get in contact with a prospect new customers. Therefore, you need to establish a balance at your account, and this is a view at the back end that the customer service staff is working with. You can either do this by visiting physically the office, or you do it online together with the staff. So you have some options. It's credit card, or you can get information from the customer service of bank account information, where you go and visit and do the deposit to Aiolas account. So you fill in the information, your name, company information, and then you upload. You upload an amount that you choose, and to get some indication, every contact that you have is around 1,000 pesos. So if you want to be very active and get in contact with a lot of prospect and projects posted, then it's better to upload so that you have a balance of maybe 5,000 pesos, so you can get in contact without doing the deposit for every time. There's a benefit for you if you deposit more, not only the speed, but you will also get a discount. So if you upload 5,000 pesos, you will get a 10% additional uploaded to your account, so that would be 5,500 pesos. If you choose to deposit 10,000 pesos, then you will get additionally 1,500 pesos. So you see, there is a benefit of having a balance on your account. You can at any time see the balance at your account. And in the case you run out of balance, like we see in this view, you cannot immediately get in contact with the projects posted at Aiolas, but before needed to do the deposit. So let's say that Nick has done his work, he's set up his account, he has deposited balance. Now he wants to get in contact with the new incoming prospects. So how does that look? Well, here we have a car service in General Santos City. They are about to lose their accountant because he's retiring, so they are in need of a new person who can help them with that. The staff at the Gensan car service, they go to Ayolas to post a request to get in contact with accountant agencies. This is what Gensan car service is doing. They know that they can use Aiola Smart Services and get up to 5 quotes. They know that it's for free, it's quick and easy, and it's also secure. The information that they post is anonymous and it's not published publicly. First field is to select what kind of work they want to, what they are looking for. So annual accounts, general financial advice. They fill this in, they choose what kind of company they are working at, and in what industry they are. And here we have automobiles and parts. They also provide indication and the level of the revenues of the companies. They select the kind of accounting assignment, if this is a one-time assistant or is this possibly a start of a long-term relationship. You also specified the purpose of this request. Is this to just get an idea about the rates, or are you selecting between several accountant quotes? There's a free text field that should be used. The better and more information you provide here, the better quotes and better accounting agency will reply to you. You specify in what region or province your business is. Tell when your project needs to start, whether it's a company or maybe a governmental organization. And then you have the name, the email, the phone, and submit the request. So again, this information is sent into Aiolas system. It will be listed, and any trusted provider can choose to get in contact with your project. Now, what happens at Nick's office? Well, he's leaning backwards, and he hears that he's getting a new email. Let's have a look at his inbox. We can see that his inbox has now been filled up by requests coming in from the website, small and mid-sized companies looking for accountant services. And Nick chose to open one to read more about it. This one seems interesting. It's an accounting and payroll, car services. It's a limited company with a turnover of more than 1 million pesos, and it's located in General Santos City. In this email preview, he can already see the button, yes, I want to contact the customer, but let us look into the full email. So he opens it up and he sees that he's been matched with the new requests, and this is the accountant consulting. There is also a project description. The email was too long to fit the screen, so therefore we see the continued part of the email. It's annual accounts, limited company. The turnover of the operation to be reviewed is 1 million pesos to 3 million pesos. It's possibly the start of a long-term relationship, and the small and mid-sized company is open to get any accounting agency to contact them, independent of location. And they want and they will look for a number of quotes and then select an accounting agency. Before we click on get in contact with the customer, let us look what happens at the back end of Aiolas system. Here's another view, and you can read about this project posted. You could, for instance, see that there are already 2 other service providers out of maximum 5 who have responded to this request. This means that Nick Sandoval and Jensen Accounting need to present a competitive offer in order to win this Jensen car service as a new customer. It also is clear that by clicking and getting in contact with this prospect, you will be charged from your account 1,000 pesos. This price differs, and at this moment for this particular project post you can see the price. There is also a certain discount for pre-paying members who have a monthly subscription. As you see, there's 15% discount. More about these details you can get when you speak with Aiolas customer service staff. So now Nick is ready to get in contact with this customer. Yes, contact this customer. Nick clicks. So what happens at Jensen Car Service? Well, the staff is reading their email and can see that they have gotten a reply to their request to get in contact and get offers from accountant agencies. This is the email that they get. An accounting provider have a proposal for you. Hey, Jensen Accounting Ltd expresses interest in helping you regarding your request for accountant services that you reported on Ayolas.com recently. They will contact you shortly to introduce themselves and provide quotation and price proposals. Well, that's great. And here we see some information about the provider. You have the company, the contact of the accountant that will get in contact with you. There's a phone number. You could also, at Jensen Car Service, choose to contact the company themselves, or if they have any inquiry or question about this, they can always turn to Aiolas customer service. What happens then? Well, that's between the car service company and the accountant agency. That's out of Aiolas control. We have now matched a provider with a B2B consumer. We wish you good luck to both Jensen Car Service, that they will find the offer from Jensen Accounting attractive, and that Jensen is happy about how efficient and Aiolas Services is to grow their business.